Being a Clearport Student Concierge member gives you access to the easiest, most convenient way to study in Canada. As a Clearport Concierge Service member, we will help you in every step for your convenience and peace of mind. With Clearport, you're not alone. Our concierge service makes studying in Canada easy for you, because it gives you convenience and peace of mind, thanks to our specialized assistance and support from beginning to end, and the benefit of all the experience we have. We are based in Canada and, when it comes to studying here, we are the experts. When you become a member of our student concierge service, Clearport will help you to get a great education if you only want to study here, or if you want to work while you study in Canada. Our consultants will call you to establish your needs, budget and preferences. We will send you school and program recommendations based on your profile. We will give you step-by-step assistance through the whole process. If you need it, we will assist you and guide you through searching and applying to schools. Clearport will prepare, review and submit your applications for up to 3 schools or programs. We will also prepare, review and submit your visa application. You will get SRT, our tool to evaluate and improve your English even before you come to Canada. We will help you to arrange a good place to live, and we will also give you 24/7 emergency support while you study in Canada. Although our basic membership gives you great value, when you upgrade to our concierge service you get many advantages, because we support you every step of the way. You will talk to one of our specialized consultants to build your detailed profile, including your background, goals, preferences and needs. Based on this, we find and recommend the right school and program, also considering all their requirements. We help you in all the school application process, and once you are accepted, we help you prepare and submit your student visa application. We review all the documentation for these applications. We help you build a budget taking everything into consideration, and assist in finding you a good place to live. We also help you with emergency support while you study in Canada. Plus, as a student concierge member, you will also get free access to all SRT features and resources. With SRT, you will test your English and essential skills, identify precisely your areas to improve, find out how you would score in other common English tests, to know if you meet school language requirements, get a personalized learning plan to improve, with hundreds of free online lessons, activities and quizzes. Test again to measure your progress. Above all, you will get a great education in Canada, recognized as one of the best education systems in the world. You will make friends that will last you a lifetime while you also have fun. If you want, you will be able to work part-time while you study, and you will be able to stay in Canada and work after you graduate. The opportunity to study in Canada is the chance of a lifetime. Let us help make this opportunity a reality and a great experience. Go to our website and get your student concierge membership. Don't wait any longer. We are the experts. If you want to study university or college in Canada, we make it easy for you. Just visit our website and become a member. We are your door to Canada.